Running water can actually unlock your brain's hidden creative potential. Studies reveal that the sound of flowing water mimics the comforting, rhythmic noises we heard in the womb, tapping into a primal part of our consciousness. This auditory illusion tricks the brain into a state of relaxed alertness, a perfect environment for creativity to flourish. When your mind isn't busy filtering out the chaos of silence or noise, it has the freedom to wander and explore new ideas. This is why some of your best thoughts might come to you in the shower or near a babbling brook. So next time you're stuck in a creative rut, try listening to the gentle rush of a stream or the patter of rain. You might just find your mind flowing with new inspiration.